Have you ever asked a question to yourself? How does a simple piece of paper control the entire world? Why does everyone trust it? Who decides how much money exists? And once a banknote is printed, can it really be tracked? Today, we are going deep inside one of the most secure factories on Earth, a place most people will never see, to understand how money is actually made. Welcome to Factory Dynamics, the channel where we break down how the world's most important things are made, and today's factory doesn't make phones, cars, or machines. It makes money itself. Step 1. Money does not start as paper. Most people believe money is printed on ordinary paper, but that idea is completely wrong. Banknotes are not made from trees like regular paper. Instead, they are created using a special material designed to survive daily use for years. In the United States, currency paper is produced from a strong blend of cotton and linen. This unique combination makes banknotes far more durable than normal paper. Cotton-based material lasts longer, resists tearing, and can survive constant folding, heat, and moisture without falling apart. The production of this paper happens inside highly restricted facilities with strict security rules. Not everyone working there understands the full process. Each worker is assigned only one specific task, reducing the risk of leaks or misuse. From the very first stage, security is built into the system. Even before ink touches the surface, money is already being protected. Step 2. Security built inside the paper. Before a single drop of ink is added, security features are already built directly into the paper. These features are not added later. They become part of the material itself. Tiny red and blue fibers are mixed randomly into the paper during production. They may look simple, but they play a powerful role. These fibers act as unique identifiers, making it extremely difficult for counterfeiters to copy the paper accurately. Next comes the watermark, one of the most trusted security elements in currency. This image is not printed on the surface. Instead, it is pressed into the paper while the material is still wet. When a bill is held up to the light, the image appears naturally from within, which makes it nearly impossible to fake using standard printing methods. Another critical feature is the security thread or ribbon. It is woven directly through the paper rather than being attached on top. When the bill is tilted or viewed from different angles, the images appear to move and the colors shift. All of these protections are built in long before printing begins. Step 3. Designing money is a science. Designing a banknote is not about beauty. Designing a banknote is not about making it look attractive or artistic. Its true purpose is protection. Every detail you see on a banknote exists for one reason: to prevent counterfeiting. This is why the design process takes years and involves a team of artists, engineers, chemists, and security experts working together. Each line, curve, symbol, and shade is carefully planned and tested. Nothing is placed randomly. You may notice tiny patterns and complex backgrounds spread across the bill. These are called fine line patterns, and they are extremely difficult for scanners and home printers to reproduce accurately. Even the smallest error can expose a fake note. Another important design choice is the use of engraved portraits instead of flat printed images. Engraving creates raised textures that you can feel with your fingers, something most machines cannot copy. From color-shifting ink to microtext that is almost invisible to the naked eye, every design element adds another layer of security. The goal is simple but powerful. Make counterfeiting so difficult that it becomes nearly impossible. So the next time you look at a banknote, ask yourself, how many hidden security features are protecting the money in your hand right now? Step 4. Engraving, where money becomes real. Once the final design of a banknote is approved, it enters the engraving stage, one of the most critical steps in the entire process. This is where money truly begins to feel real. Highly skilled master engravers carefully carve the approved design into solid steel plates by hand. This work demands extreme precision, as even a single mistake can destroy months of effort and force the process to start over. The engravings are made deep and sharp, allowing the ink to sit inside the carved lines during printing. This creates the raised texture that you can feel when you run your fingers over genuine currency. To protect the original engraving, it is never used for large-scale printing. Instead, exact copies are created from the master plate and used for mass production. The original engraved plate is stored under the highest level of security. Without it, producing authentic banknotes would be impossible, making it one of the most valuable tools in currency production. Step 5. The power of intaglio printing. Now the real printing process begins, and it is nothing like ordinary printing. Banks do not use standard printers to produce money. Instead, they rely on powerful intaglio presses, massive industrial machines designed specifically for currency production. These presses operate under extreme pressure, far greater than anything used in regular printing. During this process, thick, durable ink is forced deep into the engraved lines of the metal plates. When the special currency paper is pressed against these plates, the pressure is so intense that the ink becomes part of the paper itself, rather than sitting on the surface. This creates the natural raised texture you can feel on genuine banknotes, a key detail that helps people identify real money from fake. Each color on a banknote is printed in a separate pass. After one layer is printed, the next must align with absolute precision. Even a tiny shift or misalignment can result in rejection. Because of these strict standards, thousands of imperfect notes are destroyed to ensure that only flawless currency enters circulation. Step 6. Serial numbers and invisible control. Every banknote that enters circulation is given a unique serial number, and no two notes ever share the same one. These numbers are more than just random digits printed on the surface. They play a crucial role in how money is monitored and controlled. Through serial numbers, banks can track how currency moves through the economy, identify unusual circulation patterns, and detect large-scale counterfeiting attempts. They also help governments manage the overall money supply by knowing how much currency is actively in use. Special high-speed numbering machines print these serial numbers with extreme accuracy. Each number must appear in the exact position and format. Even a single incorrect digit, misalignment, or smudge is enough to reject and destroy the entire bill. This level of precision ensures consistency and security across millions of notes. While serial numbers do not allow authorities to follow every individual bill perfectly, they provide enough information to maintain financial control, monitor suspicious activity, and protect the integrity of the currency system. Step 7. Inspection. Nothing escapes. Even after printing is complete, banknotes are not ready to be released. Each sheet goes through strict inspection to ensure it meets exact standards. Advanced camera systems scan every sheet in detail, checking ink thickness, color accuracy, alignment, and even the smallest micro details. These machines can detect flaws that are nearly invisible to the human eye. If just one bill on a sheet fails to meet the requirements, the entire sheet is removed and destroyed. Alongside automated systems, trained human inspectors also examine random samples by hand. They rely on touch, sight, and experience to catch issues machines might miss. This combined inspection process ensures that only flawless, high-quality banknotes move forward into circulation. Step 8. Cutting and counting. Large printed sheets are sliced into individual bills. Machines cut with extreme precision to avoid waste. Bills are counted automatically, stacked, and wrapped. Each bundle is labeled and logged. At this stage, the money is real, but not yet in your hands. Step 9. Distribution through banks. Finished banknotes are sent to central banks. From there, they are distributed to commercial banks. Only when a bank orders new currency does it enter circulation. Old damaged bills are destroyed. New ones replace them. Money is constantly being created and removed quietly. So the next time you hold a banknote, remember, it passed through secure factories, skilled engravers, massive machines, endless inspections. Money is not just printed, it is engineered, and now you know how. This was Factory Dynamics, where we uncover the hidden systems behind everyday life. If you enjoyed this deep factory breakdown, subscribe and stay curious, because the world works in ways most people never see.